sometimes certain values cannot be input into a function. In other words, some values are not allowed to be in the domain of a function. Take for example here. We know that we can't take the square root of a negative number. This means that x must be greater than or equal to 2 for this function to work. If x is any value less than 2, we end up with a negative under the square root. If we now consider this function, we're not allowed to divide by a 0. Therefore, x is not allowed to be 0. Any other value is okay, so we just say x is not equal to 0. The same is true here. We're not allowed to divide by 0. So we're not allowed for x squared minus 1 to be 0. That means that x squared can't be equal to 1, and that would be plus or minus 1. So we'd have to exclude minus 1 and 1.